In this video, I'll guide you through how to clear Google Workspace search history in Google Drive. If you've ever typed something into the search bar in Drive and later wished it wasn't stored, or you just want a clean slate for privacy or organization, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move slowly and clearly through each step so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, you won't actually be clearing your search history directly inside Google Drive. Instead, you'll be using your Google account's activity settings, which is where Google stores things like searches and usage data across its services. So let's start there. Begin by going to the My Activity page for your Google account. The quickest way is to open your web browser, make sure you're signed in with the Google account you use for Google Workspace, and search for Google My Activity. Click the official link that takes you to the My Activity dashboard. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're on the My Activity page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options to manage your account activity. Here, you want to click on the option labeled Other Activity. This section contains activity that doesn't appear in your standard web and app activity list, including your Google Workspace search history. After you click Other Activity, the page may take a moment to load, and you'll see several sections, each with a heading and some controls. Scroll down slowly until you find the section titled Google Workspace Search History. This is the area where Google keeps track of the searches you've made in Google Workspace products, including Google Drive. Within that Google Workspace Search History section, look for a link or button that says Manage Google Workspace Search History. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a dedicated page for managing and deleting the search history specifically tied to your Google Workspace tools. On the management page, you'll see your options for controlling this search history. To clear it, locate the Delete button. This is the main control you'll use when you want to remove past search activity. Click the Delete button and a small menu or window will appear with several choices. You'll be given three options: Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. These let you decide how much history you want to remove. If you only want to delete the searches you made today, choose Delete Today. This is useful if you were searching for something sensitive or temporary and don't want those specific searches saved. If you'd like to remove history for a particular period, like last week or last month, select Delete Custom Range, and you'll then choose a start date and an end date, and only the search history within that time frame will be removed. This is handy if you know roughly when you made the searches you want to clear. Finally, if you want to wipe your entire Google Workspace search history in one go, choose Delete All Time. This will remove all stored searches associated with your Google Workspace services, including Google Drive, for that account. Before you confirm, take a moment to be sure this is what you want, since you won't be able to restore that history later. After you select your preferred option, confirm your choice when prompted. Once confirmed, Google will process the deletion, and your Google Workspace search history will be cleared according to the option you selected. That's all there is to it.